Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I'm about to do an unboxing of my cloth and paper sub box. I actually took my nails off because I was about to do a manicure, but I wanted to see what was in the box because it's super, it was delayed again this month. So I wanted to see what was in it. And you guys know I like to go through everything with you guys, so you had to excuse my nails. They look a bit crazy because I was prepping them for manicure. But let's go ahead and jump into this. So I have 1,000 of these. I'm just gonna start giving them away as gifts in a minute, because I don't need the pin box. So here is everything that came with this month's sub box. So let's jump right into this. So we get a white tweezer. I don't know what this is. Okay, so we get these white tweezers. These are the slanted tweezers. They are the curved sticker tweezers. These are really nice. I don't have anything like this. I do have, well, I think I do, but I think those are for my nails. But I don't have anything like this for my planner stuff. I do have some regular tweezers, but those tweezers are technically for my eyebrows. So, yeah. And then we have the straight sticker tweezers. This is what they look like. Let me open these to show you guys better what they look like. This, oh, here we go. The protective thing over them is, whew. Okay, so we have, they're really thin, which I like. They're actually, try to get this to focus. There we go. They're really thin. I'm trying to show you guys how thin they are, which will be perfect, especially for when we do like the little icon tweezers. I mean, icon stickers, and you want to like put them in there. So these are fairly thin. Here's the card that has everything that came with it for this month. And oh, and it also has cloth and paper right here on the tweezer. These also have cloth and paper on them as well. I might actually give the black ones away because I don't know if I would need both of them, but I'll find out. So these are just straight ones. These are also fairly thin, which is really good. I'm trying to get it to focus. So this is what these look like. Show you guys. I'm trying to get it to focus, so you can see like the tip of it. There we go. And it says cloth and paper. I'm going to put the cover back on these. Next we have spotlight stickers, and they just have all these different sizes. I'll just open one pack up. And let's see. And I do like these kind of stickers for my calendar. I don't think I have any more from the last time they gave them to us. So you get this size. They're really pretty color. It's Angora. It's really nice. And that very pretty neutral color. So we get this size, and so these are small. These are the medium, and I'm going to show you how they compare to one another. So these are medium, and this is 3, and these are the large. And this is how the medium compare to the large, and the small compare to the large. So these are the stickers. We got 3 sets of spotlight stickers. Trying to get this stuff back organized. So we got 3 colors. Green seems to be her color of choice for this season. A lot of our stuff is green. So we got a pencil pouch, and then we got like the bag kind of shenanigans too. Well, not shenanigans, I actually like it. And they all have like this green kind of color to it. So this is lighter. This is pistachio. These are a little lighter than the other green ones that we got the last time she gave us some spotlight stickers. So that's what they look like. And a lot of our, let me see if I have the most recent sticky notes. Like the, are these it? Nope, those are my read ones. I'm trying to find these sticky notes here. Let's see. Okay, I don't see them right offhand. So who knows where I see all of my sticky notes. Oh, they're stickers. That's probably why I don't have them here. But they have like, no, they are sticky notes. They have like that green color as well. I think I'll put them up in a different spot. But yeah, so they also have like this green color too. So I'm thinking like that might be what she's going for. But we have these, and then we have the Sedona, which is like a more of like a orange red than it is like an actual red. What do you want? You done with your food? Okay. Then we have, you ate all of it? Okay. Then we have this green notepad. I'm gonna pull it out. So this is what the green notepad looks like. It's dot grid, and it has cloth and paper on the bottom. And it's not a sticky, it's the actual notepad. So let's try a couple of pens. This is a Jelly Roll pen. Okay, so that writes pretty nicely on it. This is a Sharpie S-Gel pen, and that writes pretty nicely on it. I'm going to, this is a blue Sharpie. Alright, so it writes, everything writes pretty nice on it. I wasn't sure because it is that green color. It comes off pretty easy. And actually, there's no, even with the Sharpie, like you can't really see any real ghosting on it. So that's good. That's good. So you see a little bit when I go like this, but not too much. So this is us. That's really good to have. I actually like this notepad. I like stuff like this for work, so that's perfect. And then we have some journaling cards. I've been trying not to make these videos too long, and they always seem to go really long. So we have November's journaling card for next month. And then we have implemented personal audit. We believe it to be true. Real change can only happen if there are certain conditions in place and the desired change is honest. All transformations need to be carefully and truthfully considered. The conditions in which to transform should be created and nurtured. Only then can steps for real change be taken. And this is what that looks like. Then it has commitment. It says, be committed to change. Every action you take as a vote for the type of person you wish to become. No single instance will transform your beliefs, but as the votes build up, so does the evidence of your new identity. Small habits can make a meaningful difference by providing evidence of a new identity. James Clear. And this says, change. Simply put, make a commitment to one thing and stay consistent with it. Consistency's been my word of the year forever. With it, simply put, make a commitment to one. Okay, yeah, it's going to go back and forth, and it says how to change your life, and it gets have 2022. This color is like really pretty. It's kind of like this Sedona color, but it's like more muted and more kind of like beigey. But this color is actually very, very pretty. I actually like this. I like this on it, and it has the cloth and paper on the bottom of it. And then we have green sticky notes, and it probably writes the same way that it does on the notepad, so I won't take this out. But these are event checklists. It has checklist, a date, title, place, and you can just use this really checklist if you like. But yeah, if you do like speaking engagements, or if you need to do anything, you can kind of like make a checklist of what you would need to do for that. And that goes there. So this is, I think, is this both the dash? Okay, these are both our dashboards together. I get my stuff for HP Classic. So I'm gonna go ahead and open them because it is two dashboards. Oh. And here's the vellum. This is so pretty, and it mimics kind of this color here. They're not exact, but this is like if you printed this color on vellum, this is probably the color that you get. But this is really pretty. I love the got pen all on my hand. Yeah, I love this color, and the simplicity of this is really nice. And then this has an A, and it has 09 for September, and it has an A, and it has cloth and paper right there, and it says knowing yourself. I don't know why it's not. There we go. There we go. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. And it's really thick. Not too thick, but it's really thick. And it says Aristotle. So I'm more of a, I like the Socratic method. So I know a little bit more about Socrates because of the Socratic method than I do Aristotle. I didn't really study him as much, but the Socratic method would be very helpful if people actually used it to make sure their thoughts were based, in the words of my sister Tiff, based in truth and reality. So let me try to put this back up, and nope, I'll do this off camera because I don't want it to be a bunch of time. And so next we just have some notes paper, and so it just says Lined Notes HP Classic, and it just have notes at the top. I'm going to put this in my journal that I've created, and it just have some notes. It says cloth and paper. I probably will put like a page or two in my planner, but this is what we have. So it's probably 30 pages. And next we have this, the 2022 Vertical Weekly Sunday Start November. This is HP Classic, and this is what it looks like. I like this flower in the front of it. So this is really nice. But this is this. I haven't even used. I don't know how I'm gonna use the October ones. I just be in shenanigans with those things. They really are kind of going to waste. So I think I'm gonna give them to my sister because she's been using the HP Classic. I think I'm gonna mail October and November to her. And when I get December, give her that one too. So this is what I really wanted to go through because I kept, like, I watched the unboxing and just did like a flip through. And I looked for some videos and I didn't find any that actually went through what this inserts look like. So let's do that together. So it says the process of understanding your character, values, and ability. It says now. And on the top it has self-discovery. And it says self-discovery on the bottom. It says 09 there and there. Oh, sorry. So on the back, it's just lined. I'm glad it's lined and not graphed because we've been getting graphed quite a bit. So that's different. I like that. And it says, find your purpose. No, this is why I've been having a hard time. Pam, find your purpose. And let me show you this color in the light. So you can kind of see when I said it's more like an orange red, you can see it better in the light. So wanted to show you guys that. And look at this green in the light too. I was like, why does everything look so dark? Because I did not have my light on. And this is what this looks like. Let me what the pens look like in with this written. Okay, get this out the way. And so then here it has find your purpose. Ikigai, originated from the island of Okinawa, Japan, is a self-discovery method that aims to give a sense of purpose, a meaning, or bliss. Pay attention to your thoughts, be honest with yourself, recognize patterns and habits, identify your values, be open to new perspective, uncover what makes you unique, enjoy the process. So then it has what you love, mission. So in the middle is Ikigai, passion, mission, what you love, what the world needs, vocation, what can be paid for, profession, and what you are skilled at. And on the back is just some more lines. Then we have a blank version for us to fill out for ourselves. Has some lines on the bottom for notes, and then it has notes on the bottom. And I guess we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5 of these, so I'm guessing it's for health, finances, work or business, personal, and I can't think of what the other one for, but I'm thinking that's why we get 5 of them, so we can have one for each category in our life. And it says, your heart will lead you to your inner self. Nitin Namdeo. It says 09 self-discovery. So on the back of this is just some lined paper as well. So here it says discovery ledger. And here it says, I admire, I am passionate about, I excel at, I wish to accomplish, my future will hold, I endeavor to, I have a need for, I am here to. So this is kind of like the pre-stuff that you would normally do for goals. So I can see how like this could kind of be like part of like when you do your goals, you use this to kind of like break down how you want those to look, which again, that will lead to self-discovery. And it just has lined paper on the back. And you probably get 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 5 of those, and then that's it. So that is the Ikigai inserts that you get. So I'm thinking this is like supposed to be kind of like a goal kind of breakdown. It's different. It's not bad. I don't know. I'm gonna see what we get in our, what box is coming up next? October. What we get in our October box, because if it's not like actual like straight up goal like inserts, I'm going to order some from Poi and Han. But I was hoping this would be like more like, it's very good to begin the process. So I guess it says the process of understanding your character, values, and ability. So this is the beginning of the process. So maybe next month we'll get something to list like how we're going to implement the process into our life. So you get these, we get this, we got some paper, we get, oh, the journaling cards have this really pretty picture on the back. This one doesn't, it's just plain. We get this notepad. We get Sedona stickers. We get these 2 dashboards. They do look really nice together. Our November card. We get these green sticky notes. This journaling card here. These 2 right here. And these tweezers. So overall, I like the box. I like the Angora Spotlight stickers. I like the dashboards, and I like the paper. I'm gonna have to go through the Ikigai stuff and see how that's gonna work out. But I think it'd be really good to do like your pre-work that you need to do for your goals. And I do love the I do like these journaling cards. They're really, really nice. And I do like these. So overall, for the value that you get, the box is still worth it, even if you don't like everything in it. I might actually, I think I'm gonna give them away. If not, I'm going to if I don't sell them on the buy sell trade group, these color stickers here, I'm going to probably give them to my sister. I don't know yet, but I do like this box. It's pretty cool. I'm about to put everything back up, but I wanted to see what the inserts look like, and I could not, like, people were just flipping and just showing the front of it. Nobody went through it, so I wanted to really see and go through with you guys so you guys can kind of see what those inserts look like. I will see you guys in another video. I'm actually about to go finish my manicure. Yeah. All right, you guys, I'll see you in another video. Peace.